Alright guys, a quick one. Here, I'll detail how to download YouTube app in iPhone. So, if you are new to using iPhone or you just got your iPhone new, now you want to download and install the YouTube application on your iPhone, then here's a video for you. So if at the end of this, you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe. Now, to download YouTube app in iPhone, all you need to do is go ahead and open the App Store. Then confirm your Face ID once open the App Store. Now, click on the spotlight search at the bottom right. Then come here and search for YouTube. Now, hang on. Then on the search result, locate and click on YouTube. Then you either want to click on the Get button or click on the cloud icon to download the YouTube application. Then you'll be prompted to confirm your passcode or press the side button 2 consecutive times to confirm your Apple ID account. And then once you've done that, just need to hang on for a couple of seconds. Now, after a couple of seconds, the YouTube application will be downloaded and installed on your iPhone. Mark you, if this is your first time of getting the YouTube application on your phone, you will be prompted to sign in using Google account to use the YouTube app. Now, once the YouTube application has been downloaded and installed on your iPhone, then you'll see open. Then if you go to your app menu on your iPhone, you can just go ahead and open the YouTube application. Then select the account you want to sign in to your YouTube account with. You can just continue with the selected account or selected account or sign in with. So go ahead and choose any of the Gmail you have on your phone and then you're good to go. Otherwise, you want to sign in with a new Gmail account. So that is exactly how to download YouTube in iPhone. So if you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe.